Hello ma'am, hello sir, good day. I'm Charity Libuon Mabunay from Bacolod City. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. The oldest one is 19 years old, and my daughter's twin is 17 years old, and the youngest one is 15 years old. I undergrad of college level the course of hotel and restaurant management, and I have an experience that's in Hong Kong for 2 years and in Manila for 2.5 years. I'll do how to cook Chinese food. I'll do cooking, ironing, cleaning, marketing, and car washing. I have also experience to take care of dogs, take care of cats, and the baby. And if you hire me, I'll do all my best to take care of you, to cook you, to help you in your house. And I'm honest, I'm hardworking, I'm helpful, I'm respectful, and I'm willing to take care of your family, and I treat you as my family, and I love my work with you, and I do all my very very best to help you in your house. And good day, thank you, God bless.